Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Struggling with weight gain because of PCOS? No matter how much you diet or exercise, the scale just won't budge. You're not alone in this. PCOS makes it extra hard to lose weight, but guess what? It's 100% possible. Today, I'm sharing real science backed strategies to help you manage PCOS weight gain effectively without starving yourself or spending hours at gym. So let's dive in. So first let's understand what makes PCOS weight loss so difficult. It's not just about overeating or lack of exercise, it's about hormones going haywire. PCOS affects insulin resistance, which makes your body store more fat, and high androgen levels, which increases belly fat. This is why regular diets won't work the same way for women with PCOS. But don't worry, I have the solution for you. First, let's discuss on the diet for PCOS weight loss. Food can either be your best friend or worst enemy when it comes to PCOS. So let me tell you what works best here. Eat more of proteins and healthy fats. Proteins keep you full and balances blood sugar. Try eating eggs, fish, paneer, nuts and seeds. Now coming to healthy fats, you can have avocados, olive oil, coconut oil. These help in hormonal balance. Please ditch sugar and processed carbs. High sugar intake results in insulin spikes, which results in more fat storage. So replace white rice, bread and sweets with whole grains like quinoa, millets and oats. You can as well include anti-inflammatory foods. These are key. You can include turmeric, ginger, green leafy veggies and berries to fight PCOS related inflammation. And for some women suffering from PCOS, they have noticed weight loss when they cut down on dairy and gluten, as they can cause bloating and hormonal imbalances. Now let's discuss on best workouts for PCOS weight loss. Exercising the right way makes a huge difference. Instead of long cardio sessions, focus on strength training 3 to 4 times a week at least. You can lift weights. It helps in burning fat and improves insulin sensitivity. Walk daily for at least 30-45 minutes. Walking after meals lowers blood sugar spikes. You can definitely try yoga and Pilates for hormonal balance. Poses like Surya Namaskar and butterfly pose help in balancing hormones. Short and intense exercises burn fat faster than hours on treadmill. So what I suggest here is avoid over exercising. Too much of cardio can stress your body and make PCOS symptoms worse. So balance is key. There is nothing without lifestyle changes, especially for PCOS. PCOS is not just about food and exercise, it's also about stress, sleep, and self care. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Poor sleep messes with hormones and increases cravings. Reduce stress because if you are stressed, cortisol increases, it results in more belly fat. You can try meditation, deep breathing techniques, and hobbies you love. And you can as well take supplements on prescription of your doctor like inositol, which balances insulin and helps in weight loss. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, vitamin D and magnesium because most women with PCOS are deficient. And guys, remember, PCOS weight gain is tough, but not impossible. By making small, sustainable changes, you can take control of your body and feel just amazing. Comment below what's your biggest struggle with PCOS. I'll reply with tips. And guys, do like and share this video with every woman around you who needs to hear about this. Subscribe for more health tips. Let's beat PCOS together. I'll see you with another topic very soon. Till then, take care.